Tuesday, March 26, everyone. I would like to show you the power and accuracy of Alpha Fibonacci method on any instrument you trade. This morning, S&P day trading chart opened up very close to this key Fibonacci resistance. This 1-minute chart shows you with ultimate accuracy the power of the method, not the place to buy. We're on standby, we expected this pullback. And if I convert this chart to 5, identical formula remains. Not the place to buy. What is a knowledgeable trader monitoring for this key support? Do not short. And if buyers step in from here, it's a beautiful news. But ultimate place to buy is trend inception. No surprise where buyers stepped in from, as discussed since yesterday morning. And if I convert this chart to 15, exact same formula remains. Ultimate trend inception, yesterday morning. Ultimate Fibonacci reversal zone. And if I convert this chart to hourly, what do you see? Ultimate reminder, buy at trend inception when rules are met. Do not enter into Fibonacci resistance, no matter what you trade. Price comes to reversal zone, ultimate reversal, monitor for short. All the same. 1-minute chart to the tick this morning showing you the accuracy of the method. And this is exact same identical place where Amazon is this morning. And this is exact same identical place where Amazon sold off from. $700 per share. All the same. What is the difference? Identical price action, very different risk management. Identical Fibonacci level, very different risk management. Buy at trend inception, as low as possible, at key support. Know what to do with price action, at key Fibonacci resistance. Never enter into Fibonacci reversal zone, unless of course you like to trade with less than 20% success rate. Lessons on Amazon are spectacular reminder. Trading on fundamentals and earnings will never work. Despite stunning earnings, Amazon sold off more than $700 per share. This is what Amazon looked like at the start of 2018, before it reached 2000 at reversal zone. All identified in advance. Many months later, Amazon reaches reversal zone. 40 weeks later, it starts selling off. And this is Amazon today at key Fibonacci resistance. Week number 2. This is where Amazon sold off from at the end of 2018. Will it sell off right now? This remains the key. S&P pulling back, not the place to buy. Knowledge is power. Nothing else will give you this much accuracy. Only price action and Fibonacci will. And this is Apple this morning, traders, at exact same Fibonacci level where 1 minute on S&P is. And this is exact same place where Apple sold off from. Reversal zone, not the place to buy, the place to exit. And this is where Apple rallied from, not the place to short into, the place to rally from. And this is what Apple looked like months and years in advance. This is bullish rally on Apple. Apple at key Fibonacci resistance. Apple doubled in value despite coming out with the worst earnings in 13 years when Apple was at 91. Doubled in value. However, this key Fibonacci resistance is a problem. Apple reaches decision point 2 next, staging pullbacks, with reversal zone to follow, where Apple taking a pause. What do you see ahead? At the bottom, reversal zone. Not the place to short into, the place to monitor for long from. Apple in sell-off. And no surprise, where Apple rallying from. All in advance, never after the fact. Apple in exact same place as Amazon, in exact same place as 1 minute chart, in exact same place as 5 minute chart. Knowing what to do with your position is the key. Ultimate trend inception, ultimate sell-off, ultimate accuracy. No indicator on the planet will give you. No earnings on the planet will give you. No fundamentals. Only pure price and Fibonacci. I developed in 2008. This is not software. This is not indicators. This is a strategy I use that give you ultimate accuracy, and when used properly, ultimate profitability.